Hi, let's quickly solve this Olympiad equation together. It says x times square root of x times square root of x is equal to 2. Basically, it looks complex, but I can make it easy. Just join me. Now, there are many ways you can do this, but I'll choose to make it easier for you. If we divide both sides by x here, you see that x will take x, so that I'm left with square root of x times square root of x, alright? And this is equal to 2 over x. Since I have square roots here, and to eliminate the square root, I need to square this side, and I need to square this side. Square will take this big square root here, so that I have x times square root of x to be equal to 2 squared is 4, and x squared is x squared. Right? Again, I can just divide both sides by x, and divide this side by x. Right? So x will take x, and I have square root of x to be equal to 4 times 1 over x squared, right? Like this. Now, what I have here is square root of x to be equal to 4 over x raised to power 3. Okay. Now, at this point, I can choose to square both sides again and square this side again, so that I have square and square roots cancelling each other. So I have x, and what I have remaining here is 4 squared to be 16. And x raised to power 3 raised to power 2 is the same as x raised to power 6. Alright? From here, it means I have x to be equal to x 16 over x raised to power 6. If I cross multiply, what I have from here is x raised to power 6 times x to be equal to 16 times 1, which is 16. Now, x raised to power 6 times x is the same as x raised to power 7. And this is equal to 16 is 2 raised to power 6, right? Sorry, 2 raised to power 4, rather. Now, it means that x now is equal to 2 raised to power 4 times 1 over 7. I multiply both sides by 1 over 7 here. From here, you can see that 1 over 7 multiply x raised to power 7 to give me x, which is this. And then I have 2 raised to power 4 times 1 over 7, which boils down to 2 raised to power 4 over 7. Hence, x equals 2 raised to power 4 over 7 is the answer to this given question.
Who been on your mind? Who got your time?